If you've been following along with our channel, you know that we launched a colored wheel trim kit back in early 2019 that was specifically designed for the Polaris Slingshot to add a sporty pop of color to the trim of your stock wheels. Well, now due to the great success of those trim kits and the multiple requests from you guys, we went back to the drawing board with our friends over at Tufskinz to bring you a wheel spoke kit that accents each individual wheel spoke for a truly unique and custom look. Now, not only do they look stunning as a standalone kit, but they're also compatible with our previous wheel trim kits, furthering your Slingshot's custom wheel look. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, they start off with high quality substrates that are coated with a UV resistant top coat that protects the kit from Mother Nature, and are then backed with 3M VHP backing tape to ensure maximum adhesion. Now, these kits are available in most OE paint colors so that once installed, your factory wheels will look as though they've been custom painted to match your Slingshot's paint color. Now, before you start installing, please keep in mind that the front two wheels have a smaller diameter than the rear wheel, so be sure you're installing the correct kit on the correct wheel. Also, make sure your wheels are super clean and free of dirt, grease, and any other debris, as this will help to ensure maximum adhesion to the wheel's surface. Now, I'd recommend washing the wheel surface until it's nice and clean, and then hitting the adhesion zone with an alcohol swab, letting that sit for a couple minutes to dry before you start adhering the kit. You'll also want to do this with the surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, as the adhesive won't stick to cold surfaces. Once the wheel's surface is prepped and ready to go, make sure you test fit each piece before peeling off the protective backing and adhering it into place. Also, be sure to apply a good amount of pressure to ensure proper installation, and then just repeat that process for each piece, letting it cure overnight for maximum adhesion. So if you're looking to enhance the looks of your factory Slingshot wheels and want to pick up our wheel spoke kit, wheel trim kit, or both, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a kit for your sling. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.